Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. This evening, the price of Shiba Inus will likely double quite large.
HEB updates.
Shiba Inu and the introduction of Shibarium are just two examples of the many new coins and tokens that are contributing to the growing popularity and acceptance of cryptocurrencies. An upcoming Ethereum-based Layer 2 blockchain network specifically for Shiba Inus is called Shibarium. The Shiba Inu meme coin will become an entire ecosystem as a result. Watch this video to find out why the price of Shiba Inus is going to skyrocket later on today. Quite large. HEB updates. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. With its meteoric rise to meme coin status, Shiba Inu is now one of the 20 largest cryptocurrencies by market valuation. The SAP team has been consistently making progress on their many projects. A number of important benchmarks and milestone accomplishments have been made by the SAP ecosystem. On April 18, Binance announced that Shiba Inu will no longer be housed in the Innovation Zone, marking a significant development. Among the tokens set to leave the Innovation Zone on April 18 are Shiba Inu Frax Share Trust Wallet token and 1inch, as revealed in a recent release by the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. In their release, Binance indicated that following thorough evaluations, the exchange has chosen to remove SAP team and the other tokens from the Innovation Zone. After Binance reviewed SAP based on many variables, it reached this milestone. So someone tried to stress test the network by writing a script to produce millions of wallets. With the number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, continuing to grow, many are wondering what may be causing this unexpected increase. New information suggests that a software was created to create millions of wallets in order to put the network through its paces. Someone on the team working on the Shiba Inu NFT project, Shib Pups, recently tweeted about it. The person admitted to writing the software that created more than 9.5 million PuppyNet wallets and processed more than 3 million transactions on the beta network. The team member continued by saying that they were also responsible for creating about 1,620 tokens for the test network. Some of these tokens include Shib Pups DAO SPP DAO and Shib Pups token SPPX. Based on the statistics provided by PuppyScan, the official block explorer for PuppyNet, the network presently has 13.3 million wallet addresses and has processed more than 3.47 million transactions. Keep in mind that there was a recent 86% increase in the number of wallets, which surpassed 5 million. This extraordinary increase was precipitated by this screenplay. The goal of the test network is to provide stakeholders a chance to test the network before it goes live on the mainnet, so they can make sure it works and is reliable. Everything you see on the testnet, including tokens and transactions, is for show and is not real, as Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, has stressed time and time again. In order to assess the blockchain's efficiency and scalability, it is commendable to create a script that can create millions of testnet wallets. Also, it can be useful for finding errors or issues that may crop up while you're working. The network's dependability can only be evaluated through stress testing. According to the script's authors, they wanted to test how well the network handled heavy traffic scenarios like airdrops and games. To further evaluate the network's transaction speed, durability, and other features, they also brought up the idea of executing an airdrop script. There are currently no known issues. Very remarkable SAP burns have occurred in the month of March. We destroyed 6.78 billion SAP tokens in 540 transactions in March. There was a marked uptick from the prior months in terms of both the total amount of SAP destroyed and the volume of transactions. There were 2,433 burns totaling 9.05 billion SAP in March, the largest since October 2022. The SAP burn tracker revealed yesterday that 25.31 million SAPs, or more than 34.92 million Shiba Inu, were burned in 3 separate transactions. Coinbase 10, a wallet affiliated with Coinbase, sent 25,313,097 SAP to the burn address in a single transaction, making it the largest transaction. Compared to the previous day's overall burn rate of 2.93 million SAP, this transaction increased it by 1,108%. The futures market is another indicator of the trend toward the upward. Open interest OI in Shiba Inu has been on the rise since the start of March. The indicator represents the total number of contracts in which investors have actively participated. The amount of open futures has surpassed 2.4 trillion SEPS, or around $26.78 million. According to data from CoinGlass, the other month OI was hovering about $18 million. Traders' increasing fascination with SEP is reflected in the rise in open interest in early February, when the SEP price reached its annual high of $0.00001591. The OI was $47.3 million. The current price of a Shiba Inu was $0.001083. Currently, the SEP price is trading within a continuation pattern known as an ascending triangle, as mentioned by News BTC. The price of SEP a price of SEP the upward trend has not been disrupted. By April's end, we may have seen the last call on whether bulls or bears would win out. Investors are starting to take notice of Shiba Inu recently. 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million, is the latest high for its futures open interest OI, which has been steadily rising for the past month. A price explosion is anticipated, as this rising trend indicates a resurgence of interest. To calculate futures open interest, add up all the futures contracts that have not yet been settled or closed out by an offsetting trade. It basically stands for the total amount of contracts that market players still have open and are actively holding. An exponential growth in an asset's open interest indicates that traders are positioning themselves for potential price fluctuations, and a large influx of new capital is entering the market. At present, there is $27.51 million worth of SEP tokens, or $2.4 trillion. According to data from CoinGlass, a futures trading intelligence platform. This is a 52% increase from the low of $18.05 million observed on March 13. The open interest chart shows that there is a relationship between the price action of SEP and its open interest, since the asset's price often goes up when its OI goes up. With the addition of $47.3 million on February 5, OI reached $3.2 trillion. Along with this, the price of SEP soared to its highest point this year, $0.00001527 on that particular day. But after February 5, both the asset's price and SEP UI began to fall. The open interest is once again experiencing a significant increase in value following a dip to its lowest point on March 13. The asset's price, according to investors, will rise in tandem. Trading volume on Binance has also shown a resurgence of interest in SEP. The volume of Shiba Inu on Binance has been rising daily for the last 4 days after falling to 1.58 trillion SEP on April 8. The current volume for today is 2.44 trillion tokens. The long consolidation phase has not stopped SEP from trying to break out of an ascending triangle, which it has been stuck in despite its present underperformance. At its current price of $0.00011, the asset has lost 0.97% of its value in the last 24 hours but gained 0.88% in the last hour. The February highs of $0.000015 could be within reach if SEP manages to break above the triangle. An uptick in demand could help it achieve its objectives, and recent patterns indicate that the asset has grown popular among market participants.